Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. In this video, we'll be making this soft and delicious condensed milk bread with your everyday ingredients you already have at home. We will start by adding 1 cup of warm milk to a bowl, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 whole egg, 1/4 cup of condensed milk. After that, we mix very well to properly combine. Next, we add 7 grams of instant dry yeast, mix very well until dissolved. Then we add 400 grams of all-purpose flour and then 1 teaspoon of salt. After that, we mix very well until a sticky dough is formed. Next, we add 50 grams of soft unsalted butter. If you're using salted butter, then skip adding salt to the recipe entirely. Knead the dough using a mixer or your hands until the dough is smooth and stretchy. If you're using a mixer, you should knead on high. Your dough should look like this after kneading. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil to the dough and rub over it. This prevents the dough from sticking to the bowl. Cover and place in a warm area to double in size. Once the dough has doubled in size, deflect it and transfer it to a work surface sprinkled with flour. Mold the dough into a ball, flatten it to form a rectangle, and then roll it into a log. Pinch the end to seal it. Then cut the dough into small pieces. Grease your baking pan with butter and transfer the dough into the pan. Cover and allow to rest for 30 minutes. After that, take out the cover and bake in the oven for 30 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Look at how beautiful it turned out. Transfer to a tray or a cooling rack and allow to cool down completely. While the bread is cooling, we will mix 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of condensed milk together and brush on the bread for extra shine. If you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly support my channel by subscribing, commenting and liking. Also feel free to share the recipe with your loved ones. Please check out the channel for other amazing recipes. I'm sure you'll find something you will love because there is something for everyone there. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be recreating this recipe at home, and I would also like to know what you will pair this bread with. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one.